If you are wondering why OnePlus 14 will be skipped and instead we'll get OnePlus 15, there's a few reasons why this may happen, and it's only a speculation and rumors, so it's not confirmed by anyways by the OnePlus company. But first thing is tetraphobia, which is a cultural superstition about the number 4 in China. The number 4 is a Mandarin sound similar to death, which is considered unlucky. Many Chinese companies, including OnePlus and its sister brands, reportedly avoid using 4 in model names. That's the most cited reason for skipping 14. Another thing why is consistency with other brands naming behaviors. So reports say that OnePlus parent company and related brands have done similar skips in the past. Examples OP Find and Free. Instead we got N5 skipping for the same way as it happened with the 15 and 14. So it wouldn't be unprecedented. Next thing is marketing and perception. Part of the idea is that skipping a number may make the next model seem more advanced. Jumping 2 numbers shows a bigger leap or avoid associations with something negative. It's a symbolic branding decision. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.